In this video, you will learn how to deal with the deadlines of your work orders in the most effective way. Let me introduce you to status time limits in Orderry. Almost every service business experiences issues with deadlines. The problem is that they notice the work order becoming overdue when it's too late. The client is already frustrated. To avoid conflicts and disappointment, go beyond setting main deadlines for work orders and define time frames for each stage of the order processing. That's what we have status time limits in Orderry for. They help you to define how long a work order or a lead can be in a certain status. You can set them in minutes, hours, or days. For example, a time limit of the status new can be 15 minutes, and for the status diagnostics we can set 3 hours. This way, your employees will instantly see how much time they have for picking and processing work orders. When the status time limit is set, the status deadline column will appear in the work order or lead tables. When a work order or lead is overdue by status, the column will display a lightning bolt icon and an overdue time. There is also an overdue status badge here which you can use as a filter. Now, let's set up a time limit for the status done. Let's say, we as other service companies store the client's assets for free only for a certain period of time. When it expires, we transfer them to fee-based storage. For this scenario, we open the status editing window, enable the checkbox time limits and specify 7 days, for example. Save the changes. Done. Now when you move a work order to this status, you'll see the deadline. When this period expires, the work order will get to the overdue status badge and you'll see its overdue time. Note please, to calculate the time limits and work order deadlines, Orderry uses your location schedule set in the location edit window. For instance, you create a work order in the status new at 5 before 6 in the evening. You set your location working hours from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m., so there are 5 minutes left of the current working day. Considering that the new status time limit is 15 minutes, the status deadline will be set to 10 past 9 the next morning. Leads have no connection to locations, so the location schedule is not taken into account when calculating their status time limits. Now, you know how to set up and use our deadline control functionality for each stage of work order or lead processing. Avoid delays and increase the loyalty of your clients and prospects. Have a good day and enjoy your work.